All right, so we have grand finals here at MISFIRE for doubles. It's going to be Joe J and Draxsel versus SDX and iModerz. So should be a fun little finish here. Got the Bayonetta coming out for SDX. iModerz on the tried and true Fox. Got Joe J on his nice little Diddy Kong over there. Draxsel playing Cloud. Doing some stage picking. Normal stuff, customary stuff, you know. And looks like going to Castle Siege. Best map in the game. Over Town and City. And that's where we're going, Town and City. Game 1. Grand finals in doubles at MISFIRE. Here in Rochester, New York. Let's go. Starting off. Get Draxsel up there. He was charging a bit of limit. So, Draxsel, getting Witch Time. Not good. Doesn't get punched too hard. He is at 30%, but I mean, SDX looking a little bit worse. There's his teammate there from SDX. Kind of can't get out of iModerz's way, but doesn't seem to matter that much. Not really hurting him all that much in general. Draxsel just comboing the first thing he came inside, it looked like, but SDX carrying Joe J all the way up. Didn't get the kill, but did a lot of damage, that's for sure. Okay, looking for the Witch Time on the down air. Could not get it. So, over back air, gets grabbed, throws Draxsel off stage. SDX looking for an edge guard, can't seem to get it. He gets cross slash. He's going to lose that stock off of a very, very smart play from Draxsel there. So it looks like a forward throw, knocking Draxsel off stage. Now he doesn't have the limit, but he's going to recover. So now we have Joe J looking to knock off. Looking to knock off iModerz. Draxsel went to go finish off that stock, couldn't do it. Now we have Joe J versus SDX. We're on the other side. Getting a grab, throws him away. SDX just misses. I mean, not SDX, I'm sorry. iModerz misses the up smash on the shield. Looking to spike him right there. Draxsel going in with the fair. And that doesn't take Joe J's stock. Draxsel also recovering. Down smash will take, won't actually, as Cloud loses his first stock. Draxsel down a stock. Joe J loses his stock. I'm sorry, I meant to say he takes the stock from iModerz there. Back here into a down air, knocking away SDX, trying to recover, makes it right back. Cross slash, non-limited. A little trade over there from Joe J and SDX to up tilt, taking out Joe J's stock. Wow, you know it's a high percent up tilt kills. So, dash attack, tries to go for the grab, couldn't get it. Up tilt from Draxsel, knocking up SDX. The guns, kind of aimed the wrong way. We're going for a ride. We got Bayo combos out here. He's going to take his life with that one. SDX on a bit of a tear here. Draxsel, last stock for him. Another stock for Joe J, but he's got 2. So the stock lead is in Red's favor for now. I mean, SDX high percent, but it looks like he might just carry him all the way. Nope. Okay, Draxsel does make it back, and there goes Joe J stock while I am talking about that. So, oh wow. Interesting trade. Knocks SDX down and not up. So he will survive for a little bit longer here. He's trying to get back up off ledge as, the dash attack from Draxsel ends up taking SDX out. iModerz recovers on the other side of the platforms. Okay. I wonder if that was a misinput. Forward smash. He's going to carry his teammate too, but he's going to fall right out. So, forward throw this time from Joe J. Joe J running up smashing, taking out iModerz. So iModerz on his last stock now. Everybody on their last stock. Draxsel looking a little worse for wear though. 117, no limit trying to recover. Ends up getting back on stage. Almost grabbed by his teammate. Back air. Takes him out. So all we have is Joe J against 2 upstate PR players. Wow. The jabs up smash. Carrying him all the way up. Carrying with the Bayo combo. Can't get the finish. Not looking good for Joe J. He's going to get up aired. He's going to get carried up there. Nope. Tilt, gets the pivot grab, throws him away with the Tom Brady throw. Getting carried right back up there. Dare. Almost kills almost killed MISFIRE from SDX, which would have helped out J immensely at this point. So banana's out, picked up by iModerz. iModerz throwing the banana away, gets shielded, grab, forward throw. Ooh, looking for the F smash, didn't connect, ended up hitting his teammate there. As a little taunt from SDX in the back. And iModerz looking for a back air, can't seem to hit it. So gets the banana. Thrown out. Looking for this little one-on-one situation, really. Dash attack. Man, J surviving for a long time, but not long enough, so that F smash takes his stock. And SDX and iModerz take game 1 here in this grand finals. Coming from winner's side, so. So we'll see how game 2 fares. So we're going to game 2. We're on FD this time. Cross slashes coming through on a shield. A little bit of shield pressure. All right, so iModerz taking a lot of damage there. Bit from his teammate. Drag down there. Ooh, Draxsel carried through, almost dared out of existence by SDX. Almost again. He's just really throwing these dares out, and he's just missing by just a little bit. But Draxsel and iModerz, ooh, almost air dodges into the blade beam. Down smash. Draxsel without limit, he is dead. He is done. So got iModerz still here. Really high percent, but so is J. He's flying way up there off the up air. So SDX kind of covering his recovery. That's hard to say. Ooh, forward smash, gonna take both of them out. Not the trade you might want, but I guess it's up to Draxsel to figure out, because I mean, blue team down in stocks. We'll see how they recover from this. Ooh, down smash. Draxsel, no jump. He's gonna make it right back though. So here we go, Draxsel jabbing through, knocking off SDX, who is making it right back to stage. So iModerz gets hit by a shadow ball and gets hit right away by a back air, knocking him off stage, trying to recover. Gets grabbed by Draxsel, but thrown off. But this, well, in the meantime, J getting just thrown around. He's going to lose his stock right there off that nair, knocking his barrel pack off. So we got J in a last stock here. We got Draxsel with 2. Red team's looking real nice with a nice 5 stocks in total. Ooh, just misses with that shadow ball. That would have ended it. But the up air starting to bring the stock deficit back, and we're right there. But in the meantime, I mean, Draxsel really high on percent. Up smash doesn't take him yet. Nair gets the back air. Ooh, wow, he's got to get way down there to try to save his teammate, but he can't. So he's going to have to either take the stock or just let it go. He takes the stock, leaving Draxsel off stage and out, leaving again a 1-on-2 situation. iModerz and SDX with a lone J. Oh, wow, he's getting grabbed, he gets nared, falls out. Oh, my goodness, this is just not going to look very good for him right now. He's just pressured so hard, he's just getting ping-ponged around, beaten up. Not really much he can do here. He's trying his best. All right, gets nared through, going to get that air dodge. Wow, this is oppressive. There's not much he can really figure out right now. He's going to get up smashed, and he is done. So SDX and iModerz up 2-0 on J and Draxsel. So they need to make some type of adjustment here. And it looks like we were going to see it. And Draxsel's going to Captain Falcon. I know it helped him out last time these two played, as we're going right back to FD. So they got a large hill to climb. We got SDX and iModerz up 2-0. Grand finals here, and here we go on FD for game 3. J off stage now. Oh, catches Draxsel, who's just going to get a little back air for his troubles right there. A little grab, up airs, and then Nair's going to trade. That's a pretty good trade, I'd say. Wow, both caught in the jabs. Almost could have been catastrophic. Again, nice pivot grab from SDX, throwing it back. Meanwhile, Draxsel having a tough time. Draxsel trying to make it back to stage, gets dragged down with the Nair, gets back air. I don't know if he has a jump left. He's going to get dragged down and hit by a back air. He's already at 107, like, wow. Okay, gets the up air, just misses the down air. So he's down smashing, the get up, he goes for the disable, does not connect. The back air from Draxsel knocking SDX back. And Joe J looking to put some more damage on here, just misses the down tilt, misses the up smash on iModerz, misses the fair as well, but does get a down tilt right there, letting Draxsel get the grab. Woo. So Draxsel gets knocked over to SDX, who gets a nice little back air, taking that stock. Joe J has SDX off stage. A smart job from MISFIRE, kind of standing right there playing gatekeeper. And he gets the get up with the down smash and gets shielded by SDX. So MISFIRE gets up safely. Risky, but safe. Fair. Ooh, neutral get up, no punish. He's kind of trying to cover it with a grab, just misses. Gets grabbed, forward thrown. Ooh, Draxsel trying to take him out with the back air. Can't do it, but Joe J covers with that forward smash. F throw. And the back air is keeping MISFIRE in disadvantaged position now, which is off stage. Just can't find his way back. He's gonna get hit by that forward smash. Well done to cover every option right there. Ooh, Draxsel makes it back to stage, just barely. Red team finding it hard to try to get back on the stage here. They really need to take another stock, though, from blue team. Blue team needs to take another stock from red team. As I'm saying, there it is right there with that back air as Joe J takes SDX's stock and, ooh, disables his teammate. He's going to get grabbed and thrown. So not too horrible of like a punish of any sorts, but the up smash is going to take out Draxsel's stock right there from SDX, and Joe J is trying to recover. Joe J gets hit by the Nair. Down air, over to Draxsel instead. But down air does connect on Joe J that time. Firefox, ooh, no, that's not good. He's just gonna SD. That's his first stock lost, and stocks are even. Wow, all right. The up tilt's coming through. Draxsel having a hard time. He gets down smashed. He's gonna make it back, but that's gonna leave Joe J just getting beat up. Gets another grab. Thrown for more damage. I will say, blue team, though, looking much more comfortable, looking much better. Other than that little SD from Joe J, but I mean, you know, miscues happen. Ooh, Draxsel gets grabbed, gets faired. This time, does make it back to stage, doesn't get knocked off. Grab, back throw, MISFIRE, throwing Draxsel off stage. Draxsel's looking to take out SDX, and they're just air dodging like a madman. Grab, forward throw. Ooh, wow, goes for the Falcon dive. Doesn't seem to connect on it, but does connect on his teammate, and he's gonna get killed by a back air. He's gonna have to take that stock. So yeah, we have both blue team members, last stock situation, and it looks like we might have, yep, last stock situation as well for the red team. So, ooh, the fair, and now all we have left is the lone Draxsel. All right, so he's looking for something. He's got to make some plays. That's a Raptor boost that's not punished. He's gonna get a grab. He's gonna throw off stage. SDX tries to go for the spike, doesn't get it. Oh, both red team off stage, tries to go for the up tilt, didn't get it. Gets fair. Draxsel now way up above. So,
all right, so one Draxsel stands alone against the tyranny of Fox and Mewtwo. This is it. They're hanging by a thread here. This is all they got. And okay, SDX is dead. Now we got a 1v1 Draxsel versus iModerz. I did see this earlier in the bracket. We'll see if Draxsel can pull it out here. iModerz just looking for that up smash.
Sup, Winnies? Okay, let's see.
All they need is one, yeah. These guys both need one hit, but Draxsel has his tournament life in doubles here in his own hands.
Yeah, so right now he's just kind of looking to push him onto the ledge, get like back there, or something like that. He's looking for it right now. As long as he can make sure that Xander doesn't get to center stage, he'll be fine.
Yeah.
Until, no, he's going to go for it. Yep.
Oh, tried to go for the back air stage spike. You know, I feel like Xander's going to take that anyway, and the up air is going to take it.
Can't challenge that.
SDX and iModerz taking doubles here at MISFIRE.
3-0 in a very dominating fashion.
I mean, I didn't see it, but when I did...
I got to talk for 2 seconds about this damn
thing. Very good showing. Oh, believe me, I also
No, you had 5 seconds tops.
5 seconds. Still very good showing by both teams. Obviously, I had a great time watching Draxsel and JoJo's run. We're going to switch over to singles, which means I'm going to hit stop recording, which means,